Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you different hairstyles you can do with a scarf. I think these hairstyles will be perfect for the summer. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. And I can't wait to share my hairstyles with you. So for the first hairstyle, you're going to start off with 2 braids like I have here. I actually braided my hair last night and slept in them, so they might look a little messy, but we're just gonna work with it. Grab your folded scarf and start wrapping it around your head. Gather the ends at the top of your head and then start making a bow. Once you have the bow tied, you're going to start adjusting it to your liking. You can do this by tugging on the edges to make it tighter, and then also fanning it out so that it looks more voluptuous. Keep playing with it and adjusting it until you are satisfied with how it looks. And you are done with the first hairstyle. You can wear it on the top of your head like I have here, but I thought it looked better on the side. Braids have become my go-to hairstyle lately just because it is hot in Arizona, and also my hair gets so crazy that I don't really know what to do with it most days. But I think this scarf gives a nice little touch to this simple hairstyle. Like I said before, I braided my hair yesterday and slept in them overnight so that today I could have some heatless waves. Just make sure that your hair is slightly damp when you do this. So I'm just gonna start taking them out now. Ever since I cut my hair, I've made it a goal for me to not use any kind of heat to style my hair, and instead to keep it as natural as possible. It's been a struggle because my hair can get really crazy some days, but I'm happy to say so far I haven't been using any kind of heat on my hair, and I just want to grow it out to be the most healthy it can be. For hairstyle number 2, I'm going to start by sectioning off the front pieces. And after I do that, I'm going to tie up the rest of my hair so that I can keep it out of the way. I'm going to take this scarf and then tie it around my head. Make sure to double knot it so that it is secure, and after you do that, you can now take out the rest of your hair. And that's it for hairstyle number 2. I think this looks really cute with curly or wavy hair. For hairstyle number 3, I am starting off by making a high ponytail. After I have secured my ponytail with a hair tie, I am going to take my scarf and wrap it around my ponytail and then make a knot. After I've made that knot, I'm going to flip my ponytail over and then make a second knot on the bottom, and that's it for hairstyle number 3. This one is pretty easy and simple, which is why I love it. I love any kind of hairstyle that will get my hair up and out of my face, especially in the summertime when it gets really hot. My hair tends to collect heat very easily, and so I appreciate a nice, cute, high ponytail that also looks like I put some effort into it. Hairstyle number 4 is basically going to be a braid with the scarf interlaced within. To start off, I'm going to section 3 pieces of hair. I'm going to place the scarf on my head, making sure that both sides are an even length. And those will be part of the outer pieces of hair. And I will just start braiding as if it's a normal braid. Once you reach the end, you're going to tie it off with a hair tie. And it doesn't matter if the hair tie shows because I'm going to be taking the end of one of the scarves and also wrapping it around the hair tie to hide it. Now I'm going to start taking out some face framing pieces. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin and pin the sides of my hair in so they don't fall out. And that is it for hairstyle number 4. It took me a couple of tries to get it just right, but I think the end result is worth it. For hairstyle number 5, I have my hair parted to the side. I'm going to start by taking 2 sections of hair in the front and then twisting them around each other. And then taking another section of hair and adding it to one of the 2 I already have in my hand and twisting. Taking another section and adding it to one of the pieces of hair and then twisting again. It's kind of like a braid but with only 2 pieces. It's very easy and simple. I'm going to do that until I get towards the back. And then I'm just going to pin that in place with the bobby pin for now. I'm going to repeat that same process on the other side of my hair. Now I'm going to gather all of my hair and I'm going to make a ponytail. With that ponytail made, I'm now going to twist my hair around itself to make a small bun, and then I'm going to secure that with a hair tie. From here, you're going to take your scarf. I have mine folded in half diagonally and then folded in half again to fit my bun. Place it over your bun like this. Adjust it so that it covers your bun and then hold it in place. Start by twisting one side of the scarf and holding the other side of the scarf in place. With the twisted side, you're going to go underneath the bun and come all the way around. With the other side of the scarf, you're going to wrap it around just like the other one, and then you're going to tie it at the bottom. This one can be a little tricky to do since you can't really see what you're doing. This one took me a couple of tries, so don't worry if you can't get it on the first try. So this is the final look. I really like this one because since I have a lot of layers in my hair, when I make a hair bun, a lot of pieces stick out, and having a scarf wrapped around it like this just keeps everything inside and it looks really neat. For hairstyle number 6, I'm going to section off one side in the front. And then I'm going to tie up the rest of my hair with the hair tie. Then I'm going to take my scarf and then tie it on the side. Once you have double knotted it, you can now take out your hair. And that is it for hairstyle number 6. I love how it's tied off to the side, which I think really shows off the scarf. So by this point my hair is starting to get a little crazy, as you can see. We have more hairstyle to go, so we will make do with it. For hairstyle number 7, I'm going to gather all my hair at the top of my head and then secure it with a hair tie. And then from there, I'm going to twist my hair into a bun and secure it with a second hair tie. From here, you're going to take your scarf, wrap it around your bun, and then tie it. And then you're going to tie a bow. Once you have the bow tied, keep adjusting it until it's perfect. Because the scarf is a bit bulky, it may look a little funny at first, but if you keep tugging on the ends to tighten it and then also fanning out the edges, the bow will start to take its shape. To make it look neater, I took the ends that were sticking out and tucked them underneath. And that is it for hairstyle number 7. I actually took the bow and slid it to the side, which I thought looked better. I was trying to go for a really big, oversized bow look, which I think is super cute, especially with this bun. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe, and comment down below which was your favorite hairstyle. And I will see you next time. Bye!